Welcome to Squiz Kids Science Shorts, the show where we take your big curly questions and unpack the big science stories everyone's talking about, break them down into snack-sized science-powered answers. We sort out the fact from the fluff, keep it fun, keep it fast, and if you want to see these episodes, you can watch them too on the Squiz Kids YouTube channel. Just look for them in the Shorts feed. Energy drinks. With names like Monster and Red Bull, they sound fierce, right? Flashy cans, promises of wings and power. But what is actually hiding inside? And are they as awesome as they look? Most of them are packed with caffeine, the same stuff that makes coffee kick. But often 3 cans of cola worth it in one hit. Then there's the sugar, sometimes 10 teaspoons in a single can. Add in the extras like taurine, meant to help you focus, guarana, which is just more caffeine, and B vitamins, which your body mostly wheezes out if you eat normally. And that really popular hydration drink you've seen everywhere.
Yes.
It skips the caffeine, but it has BCAAs, special protein bits that athletes use. Scientists say there's some evidence that too many of them over time could be linked to things like obesity and type 2 diabetes. So, why do people drink them? For a quick burst of energy, to stay awake, or thinking it'll give them a sporting boost. But here's the lowdown. The boost can come with a crash, plus jittery hands, headaches, a racing heart, and trouble sleeping. Grown-ups might handle the odd can, but kids? Smaller bodies means a much bigger punch. Doctors say they're not safe for under 18s. Oh, and don't mix them up with sports drinks like Gatorade or Powerade. Those are basically just water, sugar and salts to replace what you sweat out. Energy drinks, they're a totally different beast. So, yep, energy drinks can make you feel pumped for a bit, but the sugar, the caffeine and the crash mean that they're not the magic potion the ads make them out to be. And if you're a kid, doctors are clear, leave the energy drinks on the shelf and stick with water for the real win. Had fun? Follow the show, drop us a 5-star review and tell us what you want to know next. Leave your questions in the comments or email me at squizkids@thesquiz.com.au and you might just hear your answer right here on next week's Squiz Kids Science Shorts.